Hello and welcome to Operation Steel Rain. We're here for turn 8 of UK and Free France, and we have a special guest right here to do the Italian turn.
Hello.
Yeah, BirdMotion managed to show up, so let's begin. For the two UK techs, we're going to be going for long-range aircraft and radar, anti-submarine warfare. Here we go. 2 and 10. We hit ASW, and we miss on long-range aircraft. That's fine.
Yeah, totally acceptable.
Yeah, with your 8 subs, I can't wait to start killing those things. Alright, so our combat actions. I'm pretty sure there were no planned combat actions. Yeah. Oh, wait, no. No, yeah, no combat actions. Alright, that makes the job easy. Non-combat actions. We're going to have this fleet. Oh, maybe not that fleet. Let's see. This transport, we only have 2 strategic naval moves. They'll move all the way up here. I believe that's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have enough. Going into port in Nova Scotia, dropping the guy off in Ottawa. This transport is going to move 1, 2. Go in a port here. Actually, no, on this side. With these 2 infantry into Egypt. This fleet is going to join this. What's in that fleet? And we're going to have 3 destroyers.
Test 1, 2.
Ignore that. That's the building we're in. See, in the first fleet. And we're going to have these 3 destroyers join the first fleet alongside this light carrier. Over here, yeah, we're going to move everything into northern England. Or perhaps not. We'll get back to that. FEC, no movement. Anzac, no movement. I completely forgot to mention purchases. That's a fun part to do in the turn. Gurkha and Anzac AA, leaving 1 for each. Alright, this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4 to land on this light carrier. This light carrier that started here will also join the first fleet up here. I do believe that might be it. Ah, yes. This air transport, 1, 2. Pick up this guy. Yeah, 3, 4. Actually, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into Egypt. All these convoys come off. Does Italy plan to have a bit of fun this turn?
We'll see.
Oh, it was only those 2 convoy markers? Fun.
Yeah, because you lost your bank last turn, so there was no point in waiting.
That's true. Could have just done it to add insult to injury for the funny, though. Yeah, I think that's it for movement. Or here, no. How unfortunate. Oh, very well. Everything will retreat into Scotland. And with that, that'll be it. We'll place our 2 buys. The Gurkha joins this FEC force. And the AA gun, right there, joins this force in Sydney. Now we collect our money, so Anzac 6, FEC 1, plus 2 in the bonus, and UK Bank 23, plus 5 in bonuses, I believe. Yeah. So UK 28, FEC at 4, Anzac at 7. And with that, we pass it on to Bird right here with his ever so secretive Italian turn.
Okay. Italy. We got, we're going for airborne. 7. Nope, that is not a 7. Purchases, we're going to advance this heavy cruiser. We're going to get 2 infantry as well. For all 11.
I just realized I forgot France's turn.
Yes. Go ahead.
Alright, doesn't matter much. I don't think... Yeah, there's only one combat action. See, these 3 ships are attacking over here, alongside the medium bomber. Does Japan want to declare war and join the battle?
Well, we already got one. We captured Madagascar, so... But,
oh, yes, you're right.
The subs will submerge.
Okay. So they don't take any of the hits on the first combat round? Alright. Alright, so with that we have 2 at 4, 1 at 7, and 1 at 8. 1 hit, 2 hits. That kills the battleship. Defensive roll. Also a hit. We will damage the battleship. Medium bomber lands here. Let's see. I believe these are the only French units. Oh wait, no, there's these guys too. And the subs. These guys will move 1, 2, 3. Should probably get damaged hull marker. I forgot to mention the purchase again. It's just a Foreign Legion.
Okay.
Oh, that's a TB destroyer, not a normal destroyer. Doesn't matter. Let's see, Foreign Legion, which spent all 4. We collect... What do we collect?
2, I think.
Yeah, just 2. Oop. And we'll place it here. Actually, quick change. It'll be an infantry, so we collect 3.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, I remember why I made it Foreign Legion. And you can't really change buys at this point anyways. This Foreign Legion joins the forces in French New Guinea, or Somaliland. Do Foreign Legion need an IPP value territory?
I don't know, you should check.
Free France, yep, IPP value. Okay, never mind that. So it will be an infantry in Syria. Nope, wrong button. There we go. Now we pass it on to the Italian.
Okay. We did our purchases, we spent all 11, and now on to combat moves, because we're going to declare war on the Allies now.
Fun.
So, we'll have these 4 infantry and motorized walk into Western Egypt, infantry from Eritrea to Nubia, cavalry from Eritrea down to Tanganyika, infantry to Sudan, artillery colonial from Abyssinia to Tanganyika, and artillery from Somaliland as well. I think we'll take back that Sudan infantry. That guy will stay in Abyssinia. Bring this sub 123 or 123. I don't know if other subs can shoot at subs, but
Probably not.
we'll go around him anyway. These guys.
They
One
can.
movement.
Yeah.
So these guys are just going to raid. We'll move this way. Raid in M4. We'll have torpedo boat is going to join this sub. Seaplane will map these subs. We'll have 2 tacticals go after these guys. And 2 fighters will also map these subs, and we'll send a destroyer here as well.
Fix the transport in Lower Egypt. It's supposed to be in port. Just in case. There we go.
I think we'll take this transport, infantry from northern Italy, and drop it in northern Algeria. Yeah. That should be it for Italy. Capture Tanganyika, Nubia, and northern Algeria.
And Western Egypt.
Yep. And we got battles to do. Do raiding first. Red is the attacker, +1 for the coastal subs. First one, no damage. Second one, 3 damage. Third one, that's another 2, so 5 damage. Five damage off the British. Map the subs next. We'll have the seaplane at 3. Nope. And 2 fighters at 6. Nice. Both subs are dead, and let's see how this battle goes. We've got, they got a destroyer, so no first strike. So sub at 3, target select at 1. Oh, just missed. Torpedo boat at 2. Destroyer at 4. And 2 tacticals at 7. Target select at 3. Okay, target select. We'll take the battleship. You want to roll, or?
Yeah, sure, why not? So we have a TB at 2, destroyer at 4, battleship at I believe 6.
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. Only the battleship hits. So what will that go on?
That'll go on the sub. Yeah.
All right.
Pressing on. Torpedo boat at 2. Destroyer at 4. And 2 tacticals at 7. Ah, 1 hit.
All right. TB, destroyer. 1 hit.
That'll go to the TB.
All right.
Finish him off. Destroyer at 4. There we go.
Returning. Oh. Aw. Returning fire. A.
Alright, I'm going to the destroyer. It would have died anyway in a counterattack. Oh well. And that's it. Alright. And that clears the med. So these guys, send them back to Tobruk, along with the 2 fighters. Seaplane also go to Tobruk. Send our entire air force there. Motion will walk back up to Rome. Transport's going in port here. We will send a destroyer to also go in port with it. Yep. So the 2. Oh no, they went on map. They can't get there. We'll leave the destroyer up here. Oops. And the transport will just be
check 1 2, testing 1 2.
And that should be all for Italy. Yep, place our stuff. I don't think we have supply there anymore. Heavy cruiser will go in port with the rest of this stuff, and the 2 infantry will go to northern Italy. We shouldn't have supply here.
Nope.
Unless
no,
that fleet's going to block it. Yep.
Yeah, and the blockaded sea zone.
So Italy will collect up to 13 plus 2 for the med being clear. So 15.
Testing 1 2, check 1 2.
There we go.
And with that, this special episode is over, and we will see you next time. Why won't it stop recording?